Today is a really exciting day because I finally got one of the Lego sets I always wanted as a kid. Granted, it's not the one that came out when I was a kid, but it's still an AT-AT nonetheless. So this is, of course, the Star Wars set number 75288. Looks like there is 1,267 pieces. Comes with, let's see, we have 6 minifigures here. Looks like 2 AT-AT drivers, 2 snow troopers here on the right, and General Veers and Luke Skywalker. Looks like we have also a gun that comes with it. Of course, Luke, and a snow bike there, snow speeder. Coming around to the back, we can see you can open up the top there to gain access to the cockpit here, or the driving portion of the AT-AT. Of course, the sides open up, and it looks like there's 6 seats there in the body that you can put your troopers in. There's also, it looks like, a gearing mechanism that you can lift and drop Luke, and you can also park the snow bike inside of the AT-AT. And a cool new feature, which I don't think was in the older one, is this one also shoots little plastic missiles out the front end. So yeah, looking forward to getting this build together. And if you're interested in a review, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do a review in another video of this set. This set retails for about $160, so it's kind of pricey. So I've been waiting for it to go on sale, and it finally did. I was able to get a pretty good deal on it. So let's get into the meat of this and check out what we got. Am I the only one that really likes when the books are like this? When they're elongated like this, rather than when it's normal, I guess, kind of vertical. I like the horizontal. Much easier to lay out and whatnot. Alright. So it looks like this set comes with 8 bags. Four, 3, 2, 1, and then I guess a random 8 bag. Does anybody know why they do this? Why not just combine the two? And you open them usually together anyway, so anyone know? If so, put in the comments, because I'd definitely like to learn. So that was the build. It was about a 2.5 hour build. A lot of similar things, especially when it came to the legs. As you could see, I did all four at the same time just to keep it pretty easy and reduce the redundancy of going back and forth. Pretty cool set. It's really excited about having this to my collection. Huge Star Wars fan, and one of the coolest things I remember was seeing the AT-ATs in episode 5 when it first came out. So definitely enjoyed this set, and I'll show you some of the features here on it. So of course here we have our Stormtrooper with their gun, as well as the Snow Speeder here. Luke Skywalker here underneath the AT-AT, and if we pull down here, should be able to get the pistol. So you can recreate Luke here, crawling and climbing up the AT-AT to slash it open. And we'll go over some more features here of the AT-AT itself. So cool thing is you can open up the sides here by just pulling out and lifting up, and that gives you access here into the hull. There's 5 chairs, space to put the blaster, and interestingly enough, if you lift up the back end here, you can also fit the snow bike, just like that. In addition here, I'm gonna close this side, give you a look at the other side. I really like the detail too with it. Pull up this side, similar thing, a little bit different. Just 2 seats there and a little holder. Coming to the head of the AT-AT, it does swivel nice and freely, which is really cool. There's also 2 blasters here, which you can see, so you can shoot those. Inside the cockpit area, I'll show you this here. I don't know how I feel about this. It is a little kind of crammed in there, but as you can see, you can fit General Reeves and the 2 drivers there in the front end. So with that said, this is the AT-AT set 75288. It was a really fun build. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them below. I really appreciate you watching. A like and a subscribe is also appreciated. Let me know if there's any sets you'd like to see going forward, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.